how you can round corners of an object in Figma. So imagine you want to round corners of your button. So make sure to double click and select the actual object which you want to round corners. And this feature is called corner radius. On the right, scroll down, make sure you are in design section, and under appearance here you can see opacity, and on the right is corner radius. Now it's set to 0. You can click here and grab and to the right, and it will increase the radius, and as you can see it's rounding the corners. So you can customize it like you want, just sliding right and left. So make it like you want, and then release your mouse, and this is the corner radius of the button or of any object you select. If you select another object, you can also corner radius here. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.